In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams in HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to effectively set up teams for your business operations, ensuring smoother collaboration and enhanced productivity. So let's dive right in and make managing your team a whole lot easier. To start on this journey, the very first thing you want to do is go to the HubSpot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot website URL. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll notice a wealth of resources and tools that HubSpot offers right at your fingertips. But for today, our focus will be on creating and managing teams. Next, what you want to do is log into your HubSpot account. Look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click it, enter your credentials, and you'll be swiftly directed to your HubSpot home interface. If you're new to HubSpot and haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up first before proceeding with these steps. Once you've logged in successfully, you will arrive at the HubSpot home. This is your central hub from which you can access all your HubSpot tools and features. From here, find the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon on the top navigation bar, and click on it. This will take you to the settings area where you can manage different preferences for your account. Next, you'll want to locate users and teams in the navigation panel. Clicking on this will allow you to manage both users and teams, essential for the organizational structure of your business interactions within HubSpot. You'll be greeted with an overview of current users, and more importantly, the Teams section, which we'll be focusing on today. Now look for the Teams tab and click on it. This is where you'll manage existing teams and create new ones as needed. Once you're in the Teams section, you're ready to set up a new team for your business. Go ahead and click on the Create Team button. This action will open a window where you can enter details for the new team you're organizing. It might be helpful to have information ready about the team name and its specific role within the organization to make this process even more seamless. After you've entered all the necessary information about your new team, don't forget to save your changes. You'll find the Save button typically at the bottom of this new entry window. Click it, and just like that, your team is created and ready to start collaborating within HubSpot. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only learned how to create teams in HubSpot, but also gained a better understanding of how HubSpot structures user and team management. This capability is key for effective collaboration and ensuring that all tasks are channeled efficiently through the right teams. Remember, being organized is pivotal to thriving in any business environment, and HubSpot is here to help with that. Thanks for watching, and happy team building with HubSpot.